Simplify 2 over 7 divided by 4 over 14 times 6 over 12. 2 over 7 divided by 4 over 14 times 6 over 12. Now in mathematics, when you have division, division sign changes to multiplication sign, but the numerator goes up to the denominator while the denominator becomes the numerator. So here we now have 2 over 7 times 14 over 4 times 6 over 12. Now look at the numbers that can be able to cancel out themselves. 7 can cancel itself, we have 1. When 7 cancels 14, we have 2. Then 2 can cancel out itself, 1. When it goes here, you have 2. 2 cancel out itself, 1. Cancel out this 1. Then you now have 6 over 12 remaining. Change it to its lowest term, then you have 3 can go for 6. You have 2. 3 can go for 12. We have 4. Still, 2 into itself, 1. Into 4, 2. Therefore, we now have 1 over 2 as the final answer.